Hi, my name is Abby Mangiafico. I am a rising junior at Ohio University studying engineering, technology, and management. And my role for ASCENT is being the research supervisor for the roving students. The focus of the research is for digital engineering and getting word around to students at Ohio University that there is more opportunities for people to go into digital engineering. So we do stuff for virtual reality, doing stuff with digital twins, digital threads, and putting ourselves into the world of VR. I have had a focus with VR this summer. Started to scan rooms with the LAC 360 scanner, which is a room scanner that we have the ability to scan the room and make sure to insert it into a virtual reality, and then you'll be able to put on a headset and you'll be able to see the room around you. We would use this kind of application to help teachers and to help students connect more with virtual reality, since technology is already on the rise for engineering, inserting stuff like AI and getting ourselves in the virtual reality world with headsets and making that virtual space is able to not only connect people from different parts of the world instead of gathering everyone into one place, but also be able to share this easier and have people see that different side of how engineering and manufacturing works in the first place. I think out of this experience, I have been able to reach out to so many different types of faculty in the engineering business alongside with people in the semiconductor industry. With what I am learning, can be able to help out with teachers in high school, middle school, elementary school, to be able to connect students with virtual reality, but also to help them save money and for them to help learn about career opportunities that they have further down the line. I really hope to go into project management with my major for specifically digital engineering. Technology like this is on the rise. Being able to share that knowledge with different people and managing different people for it, I think would be a great opportunity for me. I would absolutely 100% recommend that ASCENT Research, especially for people coming in with not very much experience or just wanting to get a grasp of something new. Seeing this different side of engineering, I think, will give people inspiration and motivation.